students, in last part we have discussed about the histogram when the data is given in class interval frequency distribution. In this part we will discuss about the same graph histogram, but the data is given in the form of score frequency distribution. Plot the histogram of following data. Data is given in the form of score and frequency. So we have to draw now histogram. So add score above and score below. Here if we observe the score, then there is a difference between two neighboring scores. So we take here extra scores as 12 with frequency 0, and here 0 with frequency 0. Now draw the coordinate axis and mention the measurement unit along the axis. Now the vertical axis is y axis, the horizontal axis is x axis, and take here its point of intersection as origin. Now mention the measurement unit along axis with force on x axis and frequencies on y axis. So right. Now plot the points on x axis as the lower limit of the score. Now if we take any score, say 2, then its lower limit is 1.5 and upper limit is 2.5. So like this, write the lower limit of each score. Now its lower limit is say minus 0.5. For 2 it is 1.5. Here lower limit. Take the lower limits of the scores. Lower limit of 12 is 11.5, then 9.5, next is 7.5, then for 6 it is 5.5, then 3.5, then 1.5 and minus 0.5. Now we take here the point as minus 0.5, not 0, we will take here minus 0.5. Then we mark the lower limit of each score on x-axis. This is 1.5. Then next is 3.5. Then next is 5.5. Then 7.5, 9.5 and 11.5. Y-axis, take 1 unit is equal to 2 frequencies. Scale along y-axis is 1 unit is equal to 2 frequencies. So right here, say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Now draw the bar considering the lower limit of score and respect to frequencies. Now for the extra class interval, the lower limit is minus 0.5. We have taken here at the point of intersection of axis. So this is the bar for extra class interval. Then because its frequency is 0. Now for the next score 2, the frequency is 1. So consider this point 1 and draw the is a bar showing the first score 2. Now for next score 4 and its frequency is 7. Next score is 4 and its frequency is 7. So take a point 7. Now next score is 6. and its frequency is 12. So consider this point 12. Now it is a bar for score 6 and frequency 12. Now next score is 8 and its frequency is 6. So consider this point 6. Then next score is 10, its frequency is 2. So consider this frequency 2 and draw the bar. This is a bar for score 10 and last one is 0, that means it is for extra class interval, that means there is no graph. In this way we can draw the histogram for the score frequency distribution is given. Similarly here we can draw the frequency polygon. In this part we have discussed about the histogram for the frequency distribution.